Hey, welcome back. In this video, we'll see how we can import a notebook so that it can serve as the primary documentation source along with all the comments for visibility and clarity and the code examples as well. If you would like to check this out, feel free to drop a comment and I'll share you the link to download the notebook. So, to set up the environment and launch the notebook, let's just follow this. First of all, on the data engineering section, let's click on import a notebook. From here, we'll click on upload. We'll navigate to the section where these files are saved and we'll click on open. After this, we'll return to the workspace homepage where you should see the notebook listed as one of the workspace artifacts right here. Now what we'll do is we will attach this notebook to bronze and silver lake houses. So we will be navigating back to your workspace. Click on your notebook to open it. And in the Add Lakehouse blade, select Existing Lakehouse and tick on both the Bronze Lakehouse and Silver Lakehouse and click on Add. Now once this is done, we can use the Lakehouse SQL endpoint as well. Okay, so while working on SQL endpoints, consider like with everyone prepped in silver, you want to design menu views for cooks and servers. So chefs can now pull up a list like stock items or customer delivery addresses. So these views will help cooks and the waiters to grab the right ingredient for each dish, which are ready to serve. So with T-SQL, you can combine these different lists to create a final kitchen ready menu views. And that's the one which we can use later on. So let's click on SQL endpoint here. Click the plus warehouses button at the top and check the box for your bronze lakehouse and click confirm. You should now see the schema from the bronze lakehouse available in the Explorer. Next, let's select new SQL query and you can paste up this T-SQL query code to query the warehouse stock items from the bronze lakehouse. Or what you can also do is you can drag and drop the table to the query and also begin writing the below query like this. So it's a very simple select statement, picking up stock item ID, name, brand, and the search details from the bronze lakehouse. And once your query is complete, you should see similar to this along with the proper aliasing, and you can execute the query by clicking run to view the output like this. So it's as easy as that. So that's all for this one. We'll meet in the next video.